I'm sure you've had those moments where you're panning along and like some parts go a little faster, some parts go a little slower, and you really can never get it like even like this, right?
Tripping out 'cause I shut the lights out.
What's up everybody, Jason from EO7 Media, and today I am shooting at a client's location, and I thought I'd give you a quick little video tip. I grew up with these giant tripods, and these are like infinitely smaller than anything I had when I was younger. We used to have the ones that were like 60 or 70 or 80 pounds, and because of that they had a lot more torque, they had a lot more like drag, and they felt a lot more fluid. So something I see a lot of people doing, the camera, they move it by the tilt pan handle, and because of that the footage can be shaky sometimes. Like, to be honest, the footage isn't that bad, but because, I practice a lot, and I'm sure you guys practice a lot too, it's called the rubber band trick. And since I don't have a rubber band with me, usually what you do is you wrap a rubber band right here, and then you pull on the rubber band, but it adds a lot more fluidity to your movement. So if you don't have that, here's what I do. I get down to the actual head itself, and instead of grabbing anywhere here, I put my thumb right here, and all I do is kind of push gently. And as long as I'm pushing at the same speed, I don't have to worry about my shoulder getting into it, my elbow getting into it. Literally, it's just my thumb moving the entire head. And let's come back. Now, I don't like doing it with the forefinger, because your forefinger, like you're pulling from like your forearm when you're doing this, and you're pulling from your shoulder. So I go back with the other hand with my thumb, because literally all the muscle I'm doing is in my thumb right here. So even if I do go a little bit faster or slower, you're not going to see much of a difference. Nice, smooth, and steady. So yeah, if you don't have a rubber band, this is a super easy way to get some smooth pans. Guys, I hope this helps. Have a great day. Be better and do something awesome today.